Dogtown Collab, Badass, Westside World, Moon Click.
Daily, babe, I sit here dreaming of the things we do. Can't seem to shake you off my mind, 'cause you're part of me too. So let me know the feelings that you possess in your heart, 'cause I've been real with you, loving you from the very start. 'Cause every single day I have visions of you in my mind, in my mind. All the time I sit and think of what we could do in my mind, in my mind.
Stress building up in my head, can't seem to sleep at night. Waking up in cold sweats, but you are nowhere inside. This emptiness is taking an effective toll on me. Why can't you see that we're meant to be, baby, yes, you and me? 'Cause I believe it's true that our hearts will one day unite. With you I can't go wrong, that's why this feeling feels so right. So please ease my heart any way that you can, oh yes girl. 'Cause you know that you truly complete and fill my world.
'Cause every single day I have visions of you in my mind, in my mind. All the time I sit and think of what we could do in my mind, in my mind.
Yo, look into the depths of my visions, my intuitions, giving you the keys to the trust, no hard decision. I don't care what them players say, you gon' be mine. I don't care what them haters say, baby, you's a dime. The homies quick to say how they don't love them, but when you get lonely, who the first one you gon' call? And who was there for me when my soul got scarred? Loving you, girl, ain't that hard, you feel me?
Every single day I have visions of you in my mind, in my mind. All the time I sit and think of what we could do in my mind, in my mind.
It don't matter. Look, you waiting to exhale. I told you sex sale. We players popping on the average spot. We ain't tripping about nothing, 'cause we mash a lot. Then you can catch us at the mall scooping honeys with money. We flashing, mashing. You could cash in on chips. Man, I got a lick right now. We ain't tripping about nothing. Call some chicks right now. Tell them that we coming through. In the Hummer, you niggas know the deal for real. We ain't tripping, I'm a player. And you can ask them how we do it every day. The same old thing, it don't change. Hey, hit me on my two-way. Let's hook up.